guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to show you guys my spa room tour. I thought why not, as my first video here, be my job and what I do and explain to you guys like the whole entire room. I am 23 years old. I own a beauty bar salon studio in Chicago. I've been doing it for 2 years and I'm so excited to like bring you guys along. And I just feel like there's just so much going on in my life right now. I thought maybe it's interesting to record, but let's get into the video. Let me get inside and I'll show you guys around. Okay, so let's enter into my spa. So basically I own this room. It's like a small little box, but you know what? It does the job. Walk over here. I have my sink. I have my cabinet. This is what stores all of my skincare. It's kind of a mess in there, so we're just gonna keep that shut. But there's my sink, and then this is a cabinet. We're just gonna cover the garbage because we don't need to see that. But I have my mirror that says MXA Beauty Bar, and I got it from my boyfriend's sister. She got it like custom made with vinyl. It's super cool. And then I have this cabinet that I actually got from Target. I got these handles from Lowe's and I just screwed them right on. Like, they look so professional. Sink is the only thing in this whole room that came with the room. And I put everything else. Like, I installed the shelf, I installed the cabinet, the mirror, this one. So then moving over here, I have my shelf. This is my waxing shelf. I have 2 wax warmers, one for hard wax, one for soft wax. The storage for my brow wax, and I have my tint right up there. I have my facial stuff right there, oils and all my facial tools and all that good stuff. Then I have my bed. I actually got this bed off of Facebook Marketplace. The best part of my whole entire room is my window. Then I have my mirrored cabinets. I'll show you guys. This has my towels and all that great stuff. And we have my diploma from beauty school, and we have this nice little thing I got from Etsy. It says like the different parts and the different layers of the skin, which I thought was super cool. My textbook, just in case I ever need to pull up some facts on people. My clipboards right here for when people have to sign like consent forms. I have my hot towel warmer, my purse, and I have a coffee maker. This is my checkout station. So this is where I do all my payments. I just have them all listed right there, and then I have my lovely card payment and work hard and be kind, of course. An overview. There's not much to this room. It's like really small, but it still does exactly what it's supposed to be, and it's great. I mean, an esthetician room like doesn't need to be that big. Anyways, if you're still here by the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos that I'm going to be uploading. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!